In this video, we will discuss about ConvKit smart pop-ups for WordPress site. Growing your list is essential if you want to have a successful business or a blog. One of the best way to grow your email list is with pop-ups. Love them or hate them. Purpose are a proven way to increase your conversations. But if you want your pop-ups to be effective, you have to ensure that have an attractive design as well as show them at just the right time. There are many plugins for WordPress that make it easy to create pop-ups forms. ConvKit is one such pop-up plugin for WordPress. In this video, we will take a look at what ConvKit does, why you should use it, and go over its core features and pricing option. What is ConvKit? ConvKit itself as the intelligent pop-up plugin for WordPress that will help you increase your conversation rate. The plugin promises to help you create attractive pop-ups with exist intent technology. You can use the pop-ups to grow your email list, create gamified pop-ups that boost customers' loyalty, use FOMO based messages to increase your conversations, and more. It integrates with third-party email marketing providers and offer a number of pre-made templates for various pop-ups types. Why use ConvKit? The main reason to use ConvKit is that it's a plugin designed with conversations in mind. Whether you want to grow your email list or increase the number of sales in your online store. ConvKit core features. ConvKit offers several different features to help you design an attractive pop-up that shows at the right time. They include different pop-up types, in-depth pop-up display control, and various styling options. Let's take a close look at those features. Pop-up types. ConvKit offers different pop-up types for your campaigns. You can create pop-ups for holidays, promotions, or to promote special offers. You can also offer documents or media downloads or share your best deals with them. What's interesting about ConvKit is that you can also create pop-ups to gather feedback from your visitors. You can ask them about their level of satisfactions with your service or options or products, as well as more specific questions such as what's their favorite product. In addition that, ConvKit always used to create pop-ups with FOMO or scarcity based mess. You can create gadget that shows how many visitors have added a certain product to their cart, as well as offer limited time coupons and deals. Pop-up display controls. Once you have decided what type of pop-up you want, you can fine-tune where, when, and how it displays. For starters, there are several different positions to choose from for your pop-up. These include top right, left and center, bottom right, left and center, or a center positions. You can control when the pop-up will show up as an exit intent on scroll when someone revisits your site, after someone has been on your site for X seconds. You can also target visitors by type of refers. For example, you can target visitors if they come from a specific domain or URL. You can also Target them based on the amount they have in their cart or if they have at a certain product. Styling options. ConvKit offers an easy to use editor that lets you see your changes as you have making them. You can style every aspects of your widget, for colors to fonts and even the dimensions of the widgets. It's worth monitoring that they have a library with more than 50 pre-made widgets, so you don't have to start from scratch. The designs look modern and there are several different styles for each widget type. Pair that with the breadth of customization options, you can easily create a unique looking pop-up that matches your sites. Easy to use. When it comes to easy to use, ConvKit offers a smooth user experience. Even if you have a complete beginner, the installation process works like any other WordPress plugin, but you will have to sign up for a pro account through their website. Once that's done, you can install the necessary bit of code by adding it to your header area or by using a Google Tag Manager. The pop-up editor is rather straightforward and you can see the changes and you have making them. The styling options are easy to use as well and they feel very familiar to the WordPress customizer. This is the feature rich plugin but it doesn't feel overwhelming, so it's definitely beginner friendly. ConvKit pricing. Now that you know what ConvKit has to offer, let's take a look at the price option. As mentioned earlier, ConvKit is a premium plugin. You can download it from the official repository, but this will give you a 30-day ConvKit free trial during which you can test out its features. ConvKit offers 4 different pricing plans. The first one is basic plan. The basic plan gives you the option to create unlimited campaigns and it is limited to 10,000 displays per month. It also includes all widgets types and basic display targeting options, device targeting option, chat and email support. It costs $90 per month or $190 per year. Growth. The growth plan offers all the features from the basic plan as well as advanced display targeting rules such as exist intent technology, daily scheduling, and email marketing integrations. It's limited to 20,000 monthly display as cost of $90 per month or $290 per year. Professional plan. This plan includes features from the previous plan as well as multi web shop management and the ability to add sub users to your account. It's limited to 50,000 display per month and cost $49 per month or $490 per year. Ultimate plan. The ultimate plan includes features from the previous plans and is limited month. It also gives you access to a divided VIP account manager. The price of this plan is $129 per month or $1,090 per year. In addition to the plans above, there is also an option to create a custom plan, but you need to contact their staff to get the pricing details.